So tonight I cook some saltfish, see? So you know what I do? Saltfish wash off already. Wash it with some vinegar. So I'm gonna boil the saltfish right now. And I'm gonna change the water several times because you don't want the saltfish to salt. You see me? So we're gonna change the water about, I say about 3 times. You see me? About 3 times. Let this boil, you know? Alright, now I need some flour right now, you see me? So right here I got my pot of water. I'm gonna boil this pot of water to put my dumpling in here. Cause I'm gonna eat my saltfish or some dumpling. If you wanna know how to make dumplings, I got videos on that. Just go search for it, you know? So right now I'm gonna make my dough for my flour. I wanted to make some caramel dumpling, but I don't have no caramel, so I'll work with what I got, you know? So I made my dough for the dumpling. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this. I find when you cover this and you put it in the fridge for a little bit, it makes the dough better to me, you know? So I'm gonna put this in the fridge to settle for like 10 minutes. On my saltfish I boil up some. I'm gonna change the water first time. Probably change it another time or 2 times, you know? Let's go. So these are the veggies that I'm gonna be using today. I'm using 3 scallion, half a green pepper, half a red pepper, 1 onion, and a half a Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna chop them up. Just a reminder, in this you can add onion as well, or more scallion if you want to. I just don't like that much onion, you know. So I'm getting ready to add the dumpling in here now, but when I just opened the fridge, I found some corn and some potatoes, so I drop in that pot, you know. So right now the dough is settled and ready to go in the pot. I got videos on how to make dumplings, but I'm gonna show you guys how I form my dumpling. And you can do this any size you want to, you know. It's up to you. So you can form dumpling any different ways you want to do it, as long as it come out looking like a dumpling, you know. And I'm not gonna sit here and do all the dumplings right now to drag out the video. I just wanted to show you guys 1 or 2 really quick, you know. So right here I got my food in the pot. I'm gonna cover this and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright. And I got my saltfish ready to come out the pot and crush up and get ready to fry it down. Right here we crushed down the saltfish to the desired size that we wanted. Now we're gonna get ready to fry it up. So this is where shit went left, right? I was looking for the cooking oil, but I ran out of cooking oil. That's what happened in the kitchen sometimes. So I'm gonna use some olive oil still. I'm gonna work with it, you know. So right now we'll get ready for throwing the season. We're gonna mix it up. So I'm gonna add some black pepper, garlic, and onion powder in this. Remember, you don't want to add nothing with salt because the saltfish is already salty, isn't it? You just want to saute him down, cook him down until you feel like it's the right time for the saltfish to go in, you know. So now I'm going to add the saltfish in here now. Dump it in here. I might add some more black pepper. I gotta see. Go ahead and give it a nice stir. Stir it up. You know? If you want it to be a little bit more oily, you can go ahead and add a little bit more oil to it. So right now we got it cooking down nice and lovely. So we're gonna add some more black pepper to it. Yeah, I sound like a DJ when I just said that, right? So right now we're cooking some salt and fish. Saltfish today, you know. Saltfish and some dumpling and some corn and some potato. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're cooking it nice and lovely right now, man. For real. So I mix them up. And I took a taste of this. It's not too salty, you know, just the way I like it. I cooked it down just right. So we all done here, my peoples. Right now I'm just waiting on the food to finish cooking. See, I got the food going there. So there you go, my peoples. Some saltfish, dumpling, corn, and potato. That's how we do it, yo.